Welcome to Armstrong's Munitions Factory, where these girls are doing their bit for the war effort.
Canary tells the amazing true stories of the Canary girls, the brave women who worked in Britain's munitions factories during the First World War.
If you could sum up the show in 3 words, how would you sum it up? Like just 3 words.
Intense, funny, and interesting.
Powerful, truthful, joy, camaraderie, creativity.
I knew that there were like some really sad parts of the war, but it's really helps to like put it into perspective.
The show is for anyone and everyone. It's got a little bit of everything, so something everybody could enjoy.
Quite a serious theme, but put on stage in a fun way.
I found the show to be a bit like a comedy, like a clowny show smuggled inside a piece of history.
I loved how it was partly really deep and think about for our next days, and half was super funny and I loved it.
If you are interested in class and gender and issues about that, about how people can be pulled apart by some things that pull together, then Canary is a really great show to see.